you are in a position to hear me clearly, see me, then just put across in the chat box loud and clear or L and C. This is how you are not only responding, we are getting connected. This being a webinar, it's important that we get connected. And those of you who are joining the webinar for the first time, you are free to keep your video on. However, you cannot speak because you are muted. That's only to give a good experience to the participants. And in case there is something you want to speak, or in case we want you to speak, you can always chat and we will see. A team will unmute you. Fantastic. And would like to see each and everybody keying in such that you know how to communicate with me. You can just test your hands on the chat. Okay. I'm waiting for the responses. Please go ahead and put it across in the chat box. And those of you who are joining this webinar for the first time, yes, you'll have some difficulty. You need to really figure it out and put it across in the chat box. I see good amount of participation and good amount of people who are new. And those of you who are attending repeatedly, definitely it's a joy. Please key in the chat box loud and clear. Thank you. Those of you who are maybe driving or not in a position to put across, don't worry. Don't risk out with the safety. I know few of you may be logging in from your smartphone. If you are finding it difficult, don't worry. Okay, let's have a quick check. You are all from which all cities of which all parts? Let me see the participation. You can just key in your name, the name of the city, and what are you doing? Are you an employee, or you are a business person, or something different? Your name, city, and your profession. Go ahead. Our webinars are never one way. And one more thing for a good learning is you need to keep a notebook and pen ready. Welcome Hemant Kotari, Practicing Company Secretary, Mumbai. Wow, that's nice to have you around. Welcome Satish from Bangalore, an employee. Srinivas, startup founder, very good. Rajat, I like your idea, but that's not something what we are expecting. I would like to see you putting across in the chat box. Just imagine if everybody does that, we are out. That's a good idea. I appreciate it. But sometimes we need to have our own norms. So I appreciate if you can put it across in the chat box. So Srinivas, startup founder. Srinivas, can you just key in the name of your startup? And others, Suchitra, entrepreneur, and Avashak Bags. Okay. Kiran, Bangalore, self-employed. Sami from Hyderabad, technology. Murugan from Chennai. Get set.fit. I like it. Srinivas, I think you should do something for me, okay? I need to reduce 5 kgs of my fat, 7 kgs of my fat, and convert 3 into 3 kgs of muscle. I'm clear. So let's catch up, Srinivas, once this call is over. Suchitra, Hemant Kotari practice. I'm glad, Hemant, you are there. Probably at some point of time, you may have to add some value as far as company secretary things are concerned. Fantastic. Hemangi from Hyderabad. Appreciate you coming back. Cool. So, are you in a position to see the screen? One of you can confirm. It need not be from everybody. Thank you, Hemant. Okay, so welcome to Sure Success Series, the webinar which we had been doing on a continuous basis. And I really thank Almighty. I really thank my team members. I really thank each one of you for the encouragement without which we would not have been successfully doing it. We are in a position to do it free of cost because Ample Courses is the sponsor, and definitely I'll be more than happy to share at some point of time in terms of what we are doing from Ample Courses. So welcome, and this is the topic for the day: profit from passion. This is something I love for a simple reason. If you are an entrepreneur and if you are not booking profit, you are not an entrepreneur. I mean it, and I am saying it because as a business coach, I see so many people running around only making business happen or looking at turnout, and looking at ensuring that they have a lot of turnover, and they don't even know whether they are booking profit or not. And this is much more special than that because we are talking about passion and profit today. How many of you are excited about this particular topic? Let me have a couple of people commenting back. How much are you excited and how are you excited about this particular topic? Profit from passion and Sure Success webinar series. I am sure those of you attending for multiple times. Every time we come with a crazy topic and very interesting topic. We do have a couple of offerings. That does not mean it's going to be a hard sell. It's absolutely optional. Those of you who are interested, you can think of that. Otherwise, I promise you, you will get the maximum value provided you stay till the end of the session. It's my commitment. So now, let me share with you why I am doing what I am doing. The philosophy with which I take my life forward is help helps. So we need to help as many people as possible with whatever we are good at. And the second thing is, it's so important in this busy world with competition and also opportunities we have to live a life of fulfillment. I will not be in a position to take much deeper, which we do in our workshops and seminars over a weekend. So I am living and I have a mission, and it is to enable and empower people. When I say people, you are the people who come in touch with me in the shape of participants for this webinar, or the participants of my seminars and the weekend events, what I do, or the people who attend our programs on Ample Courses, or as a trainer, I do a lot of workshops and seminars, of course, as a business coach. So people who get in touch with me to enable and empower people live life of fulfillment, which I already told you, by enhancing performance multi-fold. It's not 1.2 per 1.3, 1.5, 20%, 50%. We are talking about 2x, 5x, 10x, and in 2020, I don't mind calling it as 20x. Easily, effortlessly, and efficiently. And whoever wants to challenge and understand more, you are more than happy to ping, and we will get in touch with you and make you understand. And I'm blessed that I'm living on this mission for past 15 years. Little bit about me. Those of you who are new, I had been with Microsoft. That was my last stint in the corporate world. And my expertise was people management and project management. Friends, we will come back to this thing again during the program. I'm international certified performance coach from Gallup's USA. I'm also an MBTI practitioner and I'm a project management professional. Those of you who are not clear about any of these things or who want to know more, please feel free to ping, and we'll be more than happy to give clarification about MBTI, PMP, or whatever it is. My team will do the needful. That's a time for gratitude. This is my guru, Jim Rohn, who made a big impact in my life. And this is Blair Singer, T. Havekar, Suresh Padmanabhan, and Ma'am Vijay, This is Robert T. Kiyosaki, Brian Tracy, Dr. T. Martini, and this is Clinton Swen. And how many of you had met, heard, or seen their YouTubes? Let me just have a quick check in case anybody is as crazy as I am. Volume increase, I think it should be doing at your end. I request you to do that. Great, these are all great people. Anybody happen to see any of their videos or meet them or read their books? Last webinar, I think we did personality development as told by Jim Rohn. So it was fantastic. And in case you are interested, you can just make a mention in the chat box. I'm interested in personality development, Jim Rohn. We are having a full-fledged, full-blown program. My team will be more than happy to share. Okay, Veena, you happen to see the videos. And Satish, you did not. Murugan, Hemant, thank you. Very good. Okay, let's land and kickstart. How many of you agree in the history we had seen lot of artists who had been very, very passionate. However, they did not get rewarded as they were supposed to be. When I say this, it could be musicians, it could be singers, it could be poets, it could be painters. You know, they were very, very passionate artists and they did not get rewarded as they were supposed to. So on Facebook, we have a page which is known as School of Entrepreneurship. There, I have uploaded a video which says entrepreneurship is an art. Entrepreneurship is a calling. So, and it is very clearly mentioned, each one of us as an entrepreneur are more of an artist. That's the reason I would like to connect the dots. History has it. Passionate artists did not get rewarded as they were supposed to. What is missing? Why do you think these artists were not in a position to make a big money, element of business out of that? So here is the answer. They could not monetize their passion. And today, the efforts from my side are to see that each one of you who are in this particular room understand how you can monetize your passion, good or good. So please understand, it's fair because it was never their intention. So those of you who are seeing me or coming to my webinar first time or who did not attend my webinars, you know, intention is very, very important. In this room at this point of time, we have about 18 people. Each one of you have entered this room with some intention. The stronger your intention, the fair your intention, the more positive your intention, I bet you'll get fantastic value for your time. So let me understand how many of you are actually into business and you want to know whether it is aligned to passion or not. How many of you are here who are into business or who are planning to get into business and you want to explore around passion? Okay. Cool, Suchitra, thank you. I am sure each one of you, and that's the reason you took out your time and you are in this particular room. Okay, let's move forward. So let us look at the intentions and opportunities. Please pay attention to this. Intentions make people search for opportunities. Opportunities will provoke thoughts in those people who have strong intentions. And these thoughts will change a person's behavior. And that's how one gets ideas for monetization. Having said that, that's why you are here, and I welcome each one of you for this webinar. And I promise I'll do anything and everything possible to make real good value for your time. That's my promise. and you will be in agreement with me by end of this session. So you need to ask your question, are you following your passion? Something very interesting, it need not be now, it could be later, it could be at some point of time. So you need to understand, are you living life of passion, or would you like to live life of passion? However, if not now, at some point of time, it's always a good idea to design your life. However, the question you need to ask is, how sure are you about this? Are you sure this is your passion? Good amount of people think it is their passion. However, the real good question to ask yourself is, what was your passion 3 years back? What is your passion today? If it is the same, congratulations. What is the guarantee it will continue to be after 3 years? If that's not the case, probably you are still juggling in terms of identifying your interest and passion. As a business coach, I help people identify their interest through assessments. So that's the reason I'm telling with conviction, it's very, very important, and you need to be very sure that this is your passion. So let me just share this video, and I would like to have a little bit of debate or little bit of discussion based on this debate. And while watching itself, if you feel like, you can always put across your comments in the box. Are you all ready for the small video?
When you were a kid, you had you wanted to be an astronaut or a lion or an inventor of something. But as you get older, your interests and passions change, and you discover other things you love to do. But you have no clue how those interests or passions would actually translate to a real career. On top of that, there's a choir of outside voices that all want to tell you who you are, what you should be. Those voices are hard to ignore, especially if you don't really know yourself. And the tragic thing is, if you don't know yourself or what the best career options are for you, the chances of you ending up here are pretty high. But what if there was a way that you could know yourself and discover jobs that people like you and thrive in? Well, the Strong Interest Inventory is here to help. The Strong is a career assessment that helps you discover who you are and explore career paths that are the best fit for you. And this knowledge is powerful because if you know what you are, what you're like, where the people who are most like you thrive, then you can be free to pick a career that you're going to love. Think about it. You're going to spend hours and hours and hours of your life working. So why not enjoy it?
Okay, I'm seeing comments that you are not in a position to either see the video clearly or hear the video clearly. And thanks for the feedback. What we will be doing is, we will be sharing the link for this video. Is it a good idea? So what it talks about is, we as child, we had something in our mind and we wanted to pursue our career, and career, and it used to change with age. And because of the situation, you get into education because it was in demand, your uncle wanted, or your parents wanted, or your cousin was going, or you felt like doing that particular education. Then you realize, oh my god, what did I do? The 4 years is over. Then you get into a job. Again, you are not very sure whether what you are doing is right. However, when I'm talking to the entrepreneurs, how this helps is, with this you can actually make out in which vertical you should be doing business, in which vertical you should be looking for your prospects, which type of clients through with whom you can work very easily. So much of clarity will come. So those of you who are interested in watching the video can always just ping across, and I'll be more than happy to share. Those of you who want to get your interest done through an assessment, which it is a paid service, you can always go for that. So it's very important for you to understand, even if you are sure about your passion, unless your business plan is in place, you are missing on your profits. So having said that, I would like to make a mention. You need to have passion. You need to understand the passion. You need to get into the business aligned to passion. At the same time, have a plan in place. That's where the real profits come into picture. So before going to the 4 aspects to consider, I would like to share the link with which you can get the clarity around what is this assessment about strong interest inventory, what all are included, what is the investment, and as usual, we have a very special offer which will be there for the first 6 people or the next 24 hours. And it's only for those people who are very keen in terms of getting a black and white, actually color printout for your own interest. Let's get on and move forward. The 4 aspects to consider are, the first one is your experience. So please understand, it's important for you to leverage your experience, use it in context to building relations. Let me take the passion to profit through experience. Let us take an example of a trainer who has got experience in the finance world, but now getting into soft skills or image management. So what is that which I want to make a mention is, in case you are getting into soft skills, don't think that your past experience is not important. It is important for you to really stitch a story between your past experience and then get into how you are going to make it happen for your soft skills. In this room, do we have somebody who has got a humongous experience in one vertical, but now got into a completely different vertical? Let me take one example real quick. Only one I can handle in the interest of time. However, those of you who are taking our services, we will be more than happy to spend about 1.5 hours. Okay, thank you, Udayan. You happen to be the first person to raise your hand. So, Shubhangi, can I ask you to please unmute Udayan? And Udayan, please speak out. What was your education and experience, and you are into what profession?
Hi,
Udayan, go ahead. Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes, it's very clear. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I did my education in computers, software engineer, worked with a software company, but currently I'm managing Airbnb. So I'm into hospitality segment now. I'm managing hotels now, hotels and homestays.
Okay. And your experience was in IT?
Yeah.
And that too from any specific vertical within IT?
I was into software development.
Software development. And now what you are doing is into real estate or
homestay, hospitality.
hospitality. What's the brand you said?
Airbnb.
Airbnb. So in which area or in which city you are working then?
I'm in Bangalore and we are based out in Whitefield in Bangalore.
Okay, so whoever is in need of some accommodation in Whitefield, Bangalore, you are the person to go.
Yes.
Fantastic. So to answer your question, say for instance, there is a doctor and who gets into Airbnb versus a software engineer who gets into Airbnb. So what you can do here is, I am sure you know the world of software. There are so many people coming from abroad and being here for small time to handle a project and go back.
Correct.
And you're also aware in software organizations, there are so many people who give about 6 weeks or 2 weeks of accommodation in a guest house before they search their own house.
Correct.
And to make your business run, you can always prepare a small software for your office management and things like that.
Great. Yes.
So it's very important for us to don't think that none of those things are of useful. Once that thought and mindset changes, then you will get a lot of ideas in terms of how to bundle your experience into your business. And this is where you will differentiate from the other fellow business people in that business.
Very true. Perfect.
And for you, it is such a great opportunity because you can speak and talk the language which the software professionals speak, and it will be very easy for them to connect. So please make a mention that your host is also an IT professional.
True.
That
Yes.
will make them understand, hey, I am going to talk to somebody who's from a similar world.
Very true.
Okay,
Yes.
so hope it was useful, Udayan.
Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
Thank you. And you're the first one, so you got it. And now all will be muted. Thank you. So the second point is, let's look at this as expertise. So I will take my story in expertise, and I'm sure good amount of people will be in a position to connect the dots. So my expertise, after resigning Microsoft Corporation, I had to kickstart my entrepreneurship journey. And when I look back, I was a pro in IT infrastructure domain. Why I can claim that I was a pro is I have set up internet service providers in the initial days. I have set up data centers. I have set up BCPs. You know, that's the I did wide area network for a huge national bank by name Andhra Bank. You know, that was my capacity. I did huge project management projects. I did a lot of people management works. At the same time, I am into training and I am also into coaching. So what it is, I look back and see what is my expertise which the world needs. And definition of leadership is combination of people and business. And I was a pro in both. And that's how I became a business coach. I can connect the dots from the people's lives and coach them in business, and it is working really well. So, you know, this is how you need to be looking at your expertise and taking it forward. Hope it makes sense. Besides that, I'm a very passionate trainer and I love to be on the stage. So I'm a speaker. People call me as a keynote speaker, and I have my own signature program wherein over a weekend we help entrepreneurs really transform their lives. So that's about it. And the third one, network. Your network is something you must and should net leverage if you want to be into business and leverage your profession. Net worth is directly proportional to your network, and you need to take conscious efforts towards building a network and monetize it. So let me just take it with a very generic element. What is happening is, do you know how big is your alumni network? And how many of you have literally leveraged with an intention of monetizing? The keyword here is intention of monetizing. In your own locality, in your own colony, in your own association, in your own society, how much of network are you doing intentionally to monetize? Your own cousins, your own friends, your own family members, how much are you doing? There are so many organizations, like you have Lions Club, you have Rotary Club, and you have pure business networking organization also by name BNI. So there are so many opportunities which we must and should ensure that we take it forward and ensure your network is being fully leveraged. Last but not the least is your own brand. Leveraging your brand is super critical. For that, you need to know yourselves to help others know you and create a personal brand. So before we move on, can few of you key in what all are the four things we have learned? If we could make some notes, please refer that and put it across in the chat box such that others also will be in a position to review. So what all are the four aspects we have covered so far? Go ahead. Experience, expertise, brand, experience, expertise, network, and brand. Fantastic. Are you finding value? Do you have any learning so far? If yes, please key in what is that one thing you liked so far. Experience versus expertise. Fantastic, Murugan. Yes, branding. I'm yet to share a lot about the branding. Network, yes. See, we have, as Indians, I'm telling you, we have huge network and we don't even have that intention. We don't even have that idea how to do. And today we have WhatsApp groups, we have Facebook groups, we have LinkedIn groups. Oh my God. You can start minting money sitting at home, provided you do the right things. Thank you. So let's move on. A quick exercise. I told those of you who are attending for the first time, my webinars, our webinars are all about pure activity. These are all like coaching, okay? So please take a paper and pen, else your digital gadget, whatever you have, write 10 words that will explain you and your business. Please put efforts from your side. After some time, I'll show how I do for myself. Please write 10 words that will explain you and your business. Don't ask me questions. I'm not going to clarify. Write 10 words that will explain you and your business. It is not sentence, 10 words. Go ahead. Write 10 words that will explain you and your business. Is it okay now? If you are done, please put it across in the chat box. Done. Cool. Start wrapping up others. 10 words that will explain you and your business, your profession. I really love working like this and helping people, and this is the exercise I get it done while I'm coaching people and helping them really get better in terms of what they do. I did this in a couple of workshops also. So now what I want you to do is, from that 10 words, strike out 4 words which are of least importance and bring it down to 6 words. They are important, but in the priority list they are the least important. Strike out 4 words and bring it down to 6 words. Hope I am clear and you are taking action. Awesome, good job. So now narrow them to 2 words. From 10 we came to 6, and from 6 we are coming to 2 words. It's difficult, I know. You'll be puzzled. Who can remove these words? I know. However, you need to do the exercise for good outcome. Okay, so before I explain about what I do and who we are, what all are the offerings from One Life Academy and all that, let me have the 2 words in the chat box. All of you, please go ahead. Quality and need. Entrepreneur, cybersecurity. Okay. One-stop solution, build habits of fitness, product development, finance planning. Hope you are enjoying and you enjoyed this exercise. For few, it will be $1 million exercise, I bet. Multi-talented trainings. Okay, so just a small break wherein I'll be explaining about One Life Academy and what we do and when you can think about us. Then I will show you my own exercise. You'll be amazed. Okay, welcome. At One Life Academy, we have three verticals. One is coaching, training, and consulting. And the things what we do in coaching is we handhold and help partner with individuals that could be CEOs, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, founders, aspiring entrepreneurs. The way we did exercise, I'll be working with individuals to make them understand. We use 4 assessments. Strong interest inventory, which we told is one out of that. We help MBTI for personality identification. We help Strengths Finder for knowing the strengths. We use strong interest inventory, which we have announced today. And we also use builder profile, which helps how a business person should be having 10 things and where they are. Then subsequently, we start working with them in achieving the goals. We also offer services to business owners with teams of 5, 10, 20, 50 people. That is our B2B model. And the most exciting thing is we have a group coaching event happening on a weekend. You can browse on www.suresuccessintensive.com and it's happening on March 14th and 15th. So this is what I do. This is what we do. And within the training part, we have soft skills, life skills, and other things, project management, etc. Offline is done from One Life Academy and online is done from Ample courses. That's our EduTech startup. So thanks for listening to that and making a note of it. It could be for you or it could be for your friend, spouse, whoever it is. So these are the 10 words which explain me. While talking, you must have heard right about me talking all these things. So it is MBTI, Strengths Finder, project management, people management, coach, coaching, trainer, speaker, startup, business, and I hail from Hyderabad. So Hyderabad. These are the 10 key words from my side. Don't be like a teacher. Don't tell me there are two words in that. This is how I wrote from myself. Then I narrowed it down to 6 words. It is speaker, trainer, business, people, startup, and coach. So can I see some guess what will be my final 2 words out of this? It is made into 2 words. That is, 1 word is business, 2 word is business coach. And this is how I brand myself. I am sure those of you who know me, who are on this call, fully agree. I'm a performance coach. I'm a performance business coach. I brand myself as a business coach. And this is how I want each one of you to start looking at, based on the exercises you did, how you can brand yourselves. Good or good. How valuable was this activity/exercise? You can say in English or you can give some percentage. Go ahead, please. So all these things are great. However, I want you to use it. Okay. Very important that you use this, because these are all the things which are not available. And even my colleagues in the world of personality development, speaking, or business coaching, I did not see anybody doing this. So I'm very happy I got a chance to share with you and have a positive impact in your life. And now you know the mission with which I live is enable and empower people, enhance their performance multifold, easily, effortlessly, efficiently. And this was a small proof. Let's move on. Something exciting still. So personal branding, That was one amongst many things to consider in personal branding. Whatever I told is for coming with two names, two words is one. And many consultant experts can help you with your personal branding. And this is the result is not only a feel good, but the result is not only feel good factor, but also help you earn more. The more you brand yourselves, the better you brand yourselves, you will be in a position to make lot. So at Ample Courses, there is a program which will help you really enhance personal branding. And we have an excellent team of people who are image consultants who will be helping you with this program online. And it is going to be a 10-hour program. And today, I'm happy to announce that this program is being offered at a very special price. The actual price is 7,700. However, because it is being scheduled, it is not on demand. We are in a position to offer at 3,850. Yes, it's straight 50% off, and this will be happening in March. So those of you who are keen and interested and take an action immediately will be getting it still attractive price than 3,850, and it is going to be available for the first few and for next 24 hours, and it is only 2,400. Good or good? Those of you who are interested in this can always check the chat box, click that link, get more information if you want, only then complete the payment procedure. So you have strong interest inventory assessment also available today. You also have this personal branding also available here. Again, I make a mention, this is absolutely optional. You join the program, you will get benefited, I'll be happy. You don't join the program, still I'll be happy. That's what I mean by saying so. So personal branding is going to be a humongous value for your professional life, personal life as you move forward, brought to you from Ample Courses. And we are going to places. Ample Courses is being accepted by the market in a big way. Those of you who are in touch will get the announcements. Okay, thanks a lot. Are you ready to understand 10 profit mantras as a part and parcel of this profit from passion? Thanks, my team already has mentioned, given the link. Take 5-10 seconds to go and click that link such that you'll understand more and you can make a decision only if you're fully comfortable with what is the offering and the pricing. And when we say 2,400 for 24 hours, we mean it. Subsequently, it will change to 3,850 or whatever is being mentioned there. Take a couple of minutes, click both the links, get to know all the details, and then take a decision. Okay, thanks a lot. And let's move on for 10 profit mantras. 1. Please ensure that you find out what problem is your passion solving. Those of you who think and who are sure that this is my passion, please move ahead. Those of you who want a scientific approach of getting to know your passion and interest, you can go through the assessment as I did for myself and as I do for my teams. Once you know, please don't expect overnight success. Entrepreneurship and making profit is not that which can happen overnight. Next, you need to leverage your strengths and focus on them. Strengths are something you need to play, otherwise you'll be putting a lot of hard work. I always make a mention, stop working hard and start working smart. How you can do that is by leveraging your strengths. And for anything and everything, we have solution. So you can touch base with me. I'll be more than happy to guide you how you can take it forward. Then you need to find your team. In case you are doing by yourselves and if you don't have a team, you need to think and plan of having your own team at some point of time. And we always make a mention of championship team. You know, these are the things which we need to be working. And the fifth one in the sequence is don't hesitate in experimenting, try and fail quickly. In school, in college, in university, failing is bad. In life, failing is the only option. In entrepreneurship, the more you fail, the better it is. So for you to make a profit out of your passion, you can't say that it has to happen overnight and I don't want to fail. Hope you are getting the message loud and clear. Then comes have defined unique value proposition for your services. The way you are doing your business, ensure that you design your own value proposition, why people should come and take the service from you. This is the most important part. Know your customer. You are not here to serve anybody and everybody. I think we had Udayan who was talking about the stay home and things like that from Airbnb. He can't accommodate anybody, everybody as a customer. He must have a filter who are worth hosting. Me as a business coach, I can't afford to spend time with anybody and everybody. Otherwise, my energy will get sapped. Right from morning till evening, I was with one of my client doing a team coaching. And again, I'm here now. If I were to have a bad customer or a bad day, do you think I can do the job what I'm doing with you folks now? So it's important for you to know your customers. The eighth one in the sequence is understand that everyone cannot be your customer. That's what I was talking about. As a matter of fact, let me just share something which I do only with my high paid coaching clients. I ask this question: who are the customers to whom you can say no? I repeat so that you can make a note. You can make a list later. Who are the customers to whom you can say no? Means it could be out of scope or it could be customers who don't fit into your requirement. So you need to do that. Let's move on. Ninth, don't repeat the mistakes made by others. This is beautiful statement because it's always good to learn from others. I had been an entrepreneur for 7 years. I had been an employee with Microsoft and other organizations. We have done humongous mistakes. And I'm absolutely available for in case you want to learn from me. Having said that, did I learn from Jim Rohn? Did I learn from T. Harv Eker? Yes. So please understand, it's very, very important to learn from others. Very soon we are going to launch School of Entrepreneurship. I already told about the Facebook closed group. Those of you who are interested who can join that, it is absolutely free of cost. However, we are going to offer some programs at a bare minimum in terms of kickstarting an entrepreneurship journey for newbies, like, absolutely at the ground level. So learn from people who have already done it and dealt with this. Last but not the least, the 10th point. If you're not making profit, you're not doing business, period. So friends, let's key in this last statement in the chat box because I want you to be really, really understanding and making a note of this particular point. Please put across in the chat box. If you are not making profit, you are not doing business. Key in. I'm sure each one of you are engrossed in this, and now it takes some time for you to get into this. Yes, when I'm not making profits, I'm not doing business. It's very important that you key in, you type in, you understand, because this is how that it goes into your memory cells. You need to make profit. I can speak for 1 hour why we must make profits as an entrepreneur. But it is essential for each one of you to understand that we must make profits. So now that we have come to the end, let me go back to that exercise of the 10 words and the 6 words and the 2 words. Those of you who want to really refine your 2 words, I'm absolutely available here now for the next about 10 minutes so that we can look at how we can make it happen. And before I do that, do you have any questions? In case you have a question, please raise your hand. We will unmute you. You can ask the question. I will be in a position to take 2-3 questions, and then we'll get into the final exercise and then conclude for the day. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, go ahead. Who's this? Rajat. Yeah, please go
Rajat.
ahead.
Yes, so you told me that you would help me, to refine in terms of those two words.
Yes, that exercise I'll be doing it in a couple of minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Before that, do you have any questions? Is there anything
Yes,
which,
yes, yes.
yeah,
I have question also.
yeah,
Like
please.
you just giving this, opportunity today.
Yes.
So yeah, personal branding. So that if we have like if we need any suggestion regarding our, like ongoing journey or what we are doing right now. So would you help in that regard also? Like how
So,
we can.
yeah, so that we call it as a success coaching program, which is a 6 months hand holding.
Mm-hmm.
That is where I was talking about. We have 4 assessments and we help you in terms of taking holistic, where we allow you to take 2 professional goals and 1 personal goal. So the answer to your
Mm-hmm.
question is yes. You can always leave your name, email ID, phone number. I'll be more than happy to share the details. What are you doing now, Rajat?
I'm into L&D.
Okay. And are you employed at this point of time?
Yes, I am employed, but I want to start my own. So that's why I have a lot of, things
Fine.
that I need to do.
I have something very interesting. As a person who is in L&D, you can understand this terminology. I am an expert in career transition coaching.
Okay.
So I must have helped about 200 plus people transition their careers.
Okay.
And I have a framework through which I take such that one can take a decision when to resign the job.
Okay.
See, in 7 years, we had seen the practical situation. And Rajat, you'll be surprised. I have a client of mine who took a call not to resign after some time based on his
Hmm.
assessments and coaching.
Okay.
So it's not that, the success is all about doing what you really think you want to do.
Mm-hmm.
The decision should be rock solid.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's what I can do. So I'm sure let us catch up in the interest of time. Probably I'll give you a personal call sometime tomorrow, or we can do something like that.
Okay, done.
So what you can do is you can just share your phone number, email ID, and name, and my team will sync up with you, and we can get onto your call.
Yes,
Hope you
definitely.
got it.
Yeah, yeah, clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I
Thank you so
completed the
much.
journey 7 years back, so you can understand. I'll
Yeah,
ensure
yeah,
you don't do
yeah.
a mistake. Great.
Yes, yes,
Thanks,
yes.
Rajat,
Thank
for
you.
that question.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Is there anybody who has got any questions? Thanks, Udayan, for putting it across. Yes, Udayan was a part of the 2-day group coaching program. Okay, and I'm glad you are acknowledging our services. And those of you who want to see on YouTube, you can see a lot of testimonials on One Life Academy and ample courses. Okay, quick last one question before we start working on reframing the statement, branding part. Okay, so I think we will move forward. Those of you who wrote 10 words, brought it down to 6 words, and now have 2 words, I'll be more than happy to help 1 or 2 people in terms of refining it and putting it across. 3, 2, 1, go. Let me see who's the one who's going to grab the opportunity. So this will help others also to understand how they can refine. So I will take one as an example so that it helps others also to refine. Because I could narrow down as business coach through the same exercise. Okay. Hemangi is next for question, or can you report the question? Okay. Needs to me. Yeah, 2 words. Go ahead.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm
It's
a financial planner.
yes.
So I'm a brand like where we conduct sessions and a lot of trainings, that part. And I'm a marketing and corporates connecting is my key role.
Okay.
So when I go I'm a brand representing on behalf of my organization.
Okay.
So I could
So,
only get 5 words when you said to make it 10 words. Could get only 6 words.
no
Sorry,
problem.
5 words. I could get only five
The
words.
way I hear you is you are employed at this point of time,
Yeah,
and to brand yourselves you could find 5 words. Okay,
yeah,
can you key in the 5 words, please?
sure. Okay.
Finance, security, risk, wealth, planning. So now around finance or security or wealth planning, what do you do?
Um, we first speak to the client, understand what are
So
their
my question is, do you give consulting or do you give solution, or what do you do?
both financial planning and consulting. We have both the wings here.
Okay. So you can add the word consulting here.
Okay.
Okay. So however, you being an employee, would you like to brand yourselves for the job what you are doing, or do you have a plan of starting something on your own? That's where you are looking at.
Um, to first to brand myself in the organization.
Fantastic. Sajad, you do a good job in the organization,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Fantastic. So consulting or consultant is the one more word.
Okay.
So now finance, security of the money, risk in terms of ensuring it is a right planning, all these things are coming under wealth. Do you agree with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what you are doing is planning and consulting around wealth. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So now you key in 3 words: wealth planning consultant. So now tell me, by saying yourselves as a wealth planning consultant, does it include finance?
Yeah.
Does it include security?
Yes.
Does it include risk?
Yes.
Wealth and planning is any which ways there.
Yeah.
So now you can narrow it down to 2 words.
Wealth
Which 2 words?
consultant.
Fantastic. You got it.
Oh, really feels different now to see that word.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Congratulations, Himangi.
Thank you, Suresh.
So thanks for giving me an opportunity to prove, how it takes a shape. And I'm sure each one of you who are on this call can do a similar exercise for yourselves and whoever wants to seek my consulting, seek my coaching, seek my help, I am available at cost. So, Himangi, you are the lucky one. You got it.
Yes,
So,
really.
with that, it's time for me to say goodbye. One thing I can tell you, whatever I offer, whatever we offer, either from One Life Academy or Ample Courses, you will get much more than what you pay. So don't have a second thought, either personal branding or getting to know about your interest and passion. Don't hesitate. You will get value for your money. So with that, it's important for me to let you know I appreciate and thank each one of you for making this happen. Thanks for joining this webinar. Please join me in coming Wednesdays and help me live my mission. So having said that, good night and have a fantastic week ahead. Looking forward to see you on next Wednesday, 8 p.m. for yet another amazing secretive topic which even I am not aware of. Wish you all the best. Good night and start making profit from your passion. Bye-bye.